Hey, what's up guys, Munna is here. The Tronsmart's available 2 wireless stereo plus hybrid ANC earbuds will give you a great music experience. In this whole video, I am with you for unboxing, honest review, sound quality test and microphone test of these awesome earbuds. Please watch the full video and leave your valuable feedback in the comments. Many thanks to the Tronsmart for sending this awesome device to our studio. The case of the earbud is designed in a rounded shape. It's a clean design, but it's look very cool. Here is the LED indicator and here is the Type-C port for charging. And in the upper there is the Tronsmart bending. The lid is open and closes very smoothly. Here is the left earbud and here is the right earbud. Simple matte finish and side round rose gold metal makes the earbud very beautiful. And the Tronsmart's logo looks cool. Here is the LED indicator and here is the microphone. This is the charging connector and this is the sensor. The ear tips are very soft. There are 3 sets of ear tips come with this. The earbuds are designed in such a way that they fit comfortably in the ear and do not fall off. You can control the earbuds very easily by the touchpads. These earbuds also have intelligent in-ear detection. Let's come on feature highlights. That's right, the Tronsmart's available TWS ANC are spectacular headphones designed to give you the best sound, the greatest connectivity and everything you need to enjoy. A must-have model if you are into high-quality sound, they are made for you. This model is offer the best of the best. With powerful high-quality sound, this Tronsmart model has incredible bass performance. Especially designed to give you everything you need to enjoy your favorite music. You will also enjoy great calls with its built-in microphones. You will enjoy your favorite music everywhere, on the train, on the plane or any other crowded place. Welcome FATX chip give you the best sound in every situation. And also its 360-degree hybrid active noise cancellation makes it cool. So, you will enjoy the most spectacular sound without any problem. For IP45 water and dust resistance certifications, you can enjoy music in all situations, especially while you are doing sport. Also, they have integrated touch controls so you can use them without any problem. And control the Google Home and Siri, you can use them most easily and stably. They come with a 500 mAh battery in the charging case and 85 mAh battery in earphones. So, with a full charge, you can listen up to 10 hours of music and if used their charging case they can reach up to 30 hours of use. Let's listen to the sound. This is a recording sample of Tronsmart FLA Bolt ANC earbuds. There are 3 modes. However, I record in ANC mode. See the short feature comparison. I think you can compare the device with 249 USD's FL AirPods Pro or 179 USD's Sony WF-1000XM3. See the comparison table on how it looks. With the device, you can get similar or more feature for the laser bucks. So, I think it's better for you than FL AirPods Pro or Sony WF-1000XM3. We reached almost the end of the video. You can visit the product page from the description or buy the product if you want. Don't forget to let us know how the video, and if you like it, hit the like button. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to us for more cool videos. Thanks for watching. Peace out.